This is Walid, an Arabic for non-native speakers. If it's the first time you watch us, please subscribe our channel and share this video to all your friends. So let us start our episode today. Today then, we have a new class, a new episode. We're studying the letters with the movements fatha. The first movement is called fatha. So bring your notebook and your pencil and then go ahead. Today, we have a new letter. This one. Could you please pronounce it, or can you spell it by the first movement fatha? Yes, this is called sa. Sa. Write down for me. Sa. Sa. Okay, he has a brother. We know this before. This one. This is called sha. 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 Okay, so sa and then sha. The next one is from heavy letters. Okay, this one. This is called with fatha sa. 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 Okay, and we know this before. He has a brother also. This one. I'm not going to tell you the name of this one. Just let me know in the comment below. Bye bye.